Bible teaches men the consequence of procrastination. If that's you, bro, don't skip past this video. You give me 3 minutes. I'm going to show you how the Bible tells you why you procrastinate and how to solve it. Proverbs chapter 24 verse 30 starts, I went by the field of the lazy man and by the vineyard of the man devoid of understanding. Now, before we break down this first verse, let's talk about the original meaning of procrastination. So the word procrastination comes from the Latin root procrastinus, which literally means to push forward to tomorrow. Now, the question becomes, why would a man push something forward to tomorrow? Because the Bible verse says he's devoid of understanding. Understanding means to comprehend deeply and to process with clarity. It means that you know the reason why, when, and how you're doing something. So to bring this all together, bro, the reason why you're procrastinating, you don't know why you're doing what you're doing. And when you don't know why you're doing what you're doing, you lack urgency. You push things off. You don't have a vision. You don't understand the consequences associated to not doing it today. So follow me here. We know that a man procrastinates because he lacks understanding. And that lack of understanding is not knowing why he's doing something. And the question becomes, how do I gain an understanding of what I'm doing? A couple things you can do. Number one, I need you to clearly write down, what is it that you're trying to accomplish? Write it down. And number two, why are you trying to accomplish this? And then number three, what's the first step you need to do in order to start getting this thing moving? And when you write it down, it now becomes a plan that you can understand. Now, failure to understand brings consequence. And that's where Proverbs chapter 24, verse 31 says, and there it was, all overgrown with thorns. Its surface was covered with nettles, and its stone walls was broken down. This is what happens when a man procrastinates. You don't die overnight. It's a very slow and silent death. It's like a drip that's happening inside of the walls that ultimately turns into water damage, and now it costs $10,000 to fix when you could have just solved the drip when you saw it the first time. And that's why the old saying goes, what you ignore today will cost you big time tomorrow. Now in verse 32, it says, when I saw it, I considered it well. I looked on it and received instruction. In street terms, bro, that means study what procrastination does to a man. There's many examples out there, and you got to say to yourself, I learned from that, and I'm not going to go out that way. And it ends off by saying, a little sleep, a little slumber, a little folding of the hands to rest, so shall your poverty come like a prowler, and your need like an armed man. This is a warning shot, bro, because procrastination is silent, but the consequences are violent. Write down your plan, get understanding, start taking action, bro. If this was valuable, share this with a brother who needs it.